Hello everybody, I hope you're all well. This is just a short little video about one of our zero waste habits, and zero waste and make do and mend actually. This is my handbag that my mum gave me very many years ago. She brought it with her when she was visiting, and I never really liked leather much, but she gave it to me as a gift, and I'll always be grateful for it. And it's a lovely bag, and it's been really hardy and lasted well. All of it over there had exactly the same thread as here, all the way around. Every bit of sewing had that thread, but in the last week it's been coming apart. The thread obviously was a string, a cotton type string. I think it was cotton. It's a natural fiber, and it has started pulling apart on the seams. And today Darran mended it for me. He re-sewed all the hems for me. He had some leather sewing thread. It's like a nylon thread specifically for leather sewing, and he'd been watching YouTube videos for a long time because he's always wanted to do leather work, but I don't think it's something we could afford to do as a hobby. I think we'll just stick with the wood crafts. But he did such a really lovely job of sewing that back up, because obviously the holes were already there from the threads before. So he went on YouTube before, I think last year or so, and taught himself how to sew leather. And because he knew what he was doing, this time he fixed my bag for me. Good as new. Don't need to throw it away. At least there's one animal whose skin has not been wasted wantonly because of a lack of caring enough to reuse stuff and fix stuff. So there you go. It's been fixed. I'm happy. It's a good bag, and it'll last for quite some time longer now. So there you go. Zero waste. Don't throw it away. Fix it up. If it can't be fixed up, turn it into something else. Well, I don't know what this could ever be other than a handbag, but still, it's the principle that counts. Make do and mend. Don't throw it away. And if you really don't want it, give it to somebody else who will fix it and use it. There you go. I'm happy with that. For my husband's talent, for teaching himself to do things, and for learning to do the skills that help us to do these things. There you go. And you can learn anything on YouTube. Seriously. There you are. Speak to you all again soon. Bye bye.